How do I prevent Ansible templates from being confused by the content they receive? I am using Ansible to provision WordPress installs, and to do so I have a template for the wp-config.php. My wp-config.php.j2 template has a substitution for the keys and salts. It looks like this. The WordPress _keys comes from a task, which looks like this. The problem is that sometimes the keys and salts have special characters in them, like, etc., and this seems to be causing Ansible to generate an error like this. The error does not happen all the time, only when some special chars are present. My question is, how can I just substitute in the results from the request, without having this happen? Is there some sort of escaping or quoting that would work? Thanks, John.
So I ended up abandoning the template solution. Instead I used wp-cli to generate the wp-config.php file for me. I only did this because the template solution would randomly fail to work with the template getting confused by the content it was receiving.
Escaping certain characters is going to be difficult, because not only would the URI module need to support that, but the templating engine would have to unescape as well. Instead, here's a workaround. Modify the task so the content is saved to a file instead of a variable. Then add a line to your wp-config.php.j2 template that includes wp-keys.php.